If you don't know what a top bar beehive is, just go on there and you'll see someone make one or have one or whatever. But anyway, the bush bee man thought he's going to make one out of a fridge. Couple more of them and I can put them in a bubble wrap and take them back to the hardware shop. Ah! Oh no! Bush bee man recycled fridge hive competition. What were we going to call it? The bush bee man loses his fucking marbles. Oh shit! Just got to find some screws to screw it down and that'll be good. Don't you hate it if you open a packet of screws and they don't open, then they go, woo! Head out. Awesome. Mr. Westinghouse, I reckon you made this just for me.
Poke that through there.
Anyway, if you lick a bit of spit, wouldn't say that in the directions, would it?
A little bit of spit and let you slip.
It's like a spyglass mold. What was that?
Land ahoy! It'll be like honey ahoy!
These are our kitchen cupboard bees, which I thought would make a very good addition to our top bar Langsworth, not Langsworth, that's the other dude. Our top bar beehive in our fridge. This is recycling gone mad.